The reason that I joined Remax was that it was always in my tuition, all these years of experience that I have, that I am a real estate agent. I wanted to build my business with a company that I can go with them. I can go along with a company that they are growing. And as soon as that I sat with the broker of Remax Galaxy, I just felt that connection. And with all of their trainings, with hands-on work, they are making leaders in this company. They're not just focusing on making you an agent. And Galaxy so far has delivered. If you want to become a leader, join Remax Galaxy. Remax Galaxy is just not making you an agent. They are making you leader through training and hands-on work with their top agents.